What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
My screen is coming up.
Your screen is coming up.
Yeah.
Damn. It's like Z Flip. Wow. What's that? This is like the battery. Your battery is swollen. I think that's the reason it's coming off. It's pushing your screen. Wow. Don't worry. I got you.
Thank you.
Your phone is pregnant, sir.
I don't know how this happened.
Stop using the Apple charger. If you guys want me to pop this battery, leave it in comment. Nothing coming. I'm scared, guys. Damn, it's not coming up. Wow. Damn. This is giving me a hard time. I'm gonna do C-section. Damn. I'm trying not to break the screen, that's why. Going slow, but this one is not coming off. This is stubborn. God damn. Most stubborn pregnancy. Didn't want to come off. This is how it's supposed to be. And look at that. Damn, Daniel. And for the screen, I'm gonna put the glue because it was too swollen. It was lifting the screen from the frame. I'm gonna put the glue from all over the frame. Now we can put the glue and put the screen back. But first, let me take a selfie. Of course, I'm joking. I'm gonna clean the old glue on the frame. And then I will apply new one. Gotta make it right, guys. Glue time. Let's clean the frame too. Damn. See all the dirt. I'm gonna clean this too. Your phone is ready, sir. The baby is out and it's good to go.
Thank you very much. Now we'll
You're
take
welcome.
better care.
You should don't charge too much.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna